In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how you can apply to this German university for free without no application fees. I would also be sharing with you how you can get scholarship to finance your studies as an international student and other important information to enable you secure this admission. I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss this opportunity. So please watch this video till the end. Hi, my name is Sylvia. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and friends. This is the university. It's called the Friedrich-Schiller-University Jena. So this particular university is located in the state Thüringen in Germany. This is the official website of this university. And here we're going to click on studies. And when you scroll down, you click on application and enrollment. And once you're here, you scroll down and you see go to the application portal. Here you select what is applicable to you, what you're applying for. So I'm going to select master courses, for example, and hit on apply now. This is the master application. And once you're here, you can see that the application for this program at Friedrich-Schiller-University Jena are only possible via this link. So you're going to click on this link. You're going to see that in a bit. And here it says applications are free of charge. So you don't have to pay anything or anyone to do this application for you. You're going to do it from the comfort of your home. And I'm going to walk you through the steps. And when you scroll down, you can see the application deadline. And when we click on it, it says application for the winter semester intake is from 1st of April. So it's already started 1st of April. And the deadline depends on the program. So if we want to see the program, we're going to click on this link to see the programs. So this is the list for various master's application. So basically here it says foreign applicants. Application for foreign applicants are basically going to be ending 15th of July on the program you're applying. But I would advise that you make sure you submit your application before this date. There is also a different deadline if you're going to be resuming in a higher semester. So you click on this to find out more. And here is the admission requirements. And for us to learn more about this admission requirement, we have to click on this study program finder. So on the study program finder, when you scroll down, you see you have 415 study programs. So you're going to select what you're looking for. I'm going to select masters and the teaching language is English I want. And I want you to start winter semester. So basically, this is all that you have got here. You have biochemistry, business mathematics, chemistry of materials, economics. So depending on what you're interested in, feel free to select it. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to be selecting biochemistry. This is the study information for biochemistry. If you're interested in biochemistry, it's going to be Master of Science for 4th semester. This is the credit. The teaching language is English. Tuition fee is none, but nonetheless, you're going to pay a semester contribution, 265 euros 60 cents. So this is just for your transportation and also contribution fee. And the start is going to be in winter semester. So part-time is also possible, and your faculty is going to be biology science. And here you can see the admission requirements link, application document link. And here you're going to select the semester, which is going to be the 1st semester, and you select your nationality. For example, I'm going to select Pakistan. And here it will show you the information and the requirements that you need. So here you can see the information regarding your application if you're from Pakistan. So your application deadline is going to be until the 31st May for the winter semester 2023-24, which is what we're applying for. And here it shows you the application document. So you need to get ready your motivation letter, curriculum vitae, pre-university education, your secondary school certificate, university education, your previous university degrees, your transcripts, proof of grading system you have to provide. So also very good English language proficiency is recommended at B level, although a certificate is not required. So this is even very good. So they don't require you to provide any form of official certificates. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and share it with your family and friends. And here they said special requirement for international applicants. So if you are from China, India, Vietnam, so you need APS certificates. your college entrance examination for those from China, Iran, and Republic of Korea. So this is dependent on the country. And once you are okay, you just click on apply now. But importantly, ensure that you come here to put in your country so that it shows you what you need to get ready as application documents. And once you're okay with this, all we have to do is to click on apply now. It brings us to the page where we're going to be making this application, and it's only via this link. We're going to click on this link, Fridolin 2.0. So once you're on this page for the application, make sure you change it to EN so that you can be able to read it. And now this is the home page, applicant students. So we're applicants, you're going to click on applicants. So here you're going to click on apply now. So here you click on OK because you don't have an account yet. And now it lands you on this page where you're going to basically be filling in your personal details, your contact details, creating a password, your security, and then you accept this privacy and click on register. So once you have finished filling your details like this, you click on this button, register. So here we have to enter our activation code from the email. So this is my mailbox, and here this is the university application welcome email. And when you scroll down, you can see the activation code. This is the email verification. We can either click on this link or we copy this code, but I'm going to automatically click on this link. So here it says that the email verification was successful, and now I have to enter with my username and password. Once you've put your username and password, you click on login. Now I've logged in, and here it says my application. Now I can start application, and here it says my messages, but currently I have no message, so I'm going to click on start application. And here you're going to check yes, activate email so that they can be able to send you email notifications, and you save your selection. This is my application number. This is my personal information by my right. So if I want to change anything, I can change anything by clicking on this pencil. And here I can click on this button to add application form. And once you're here, you see that now you can have the button to select the degree that you're interested in. So I was interested in Master of Science. I'm going to click on this, and I have to select the subject. It was biochemistry. And now it brings me the list of courses of specialization. So basically, if there's anything you don't understand, you click on this little arrow. It explains to you the meaning of what that particular column is so that you know what to select. And here I'm going to select on the first one. And once you're done, click on continue. At the top, you can see its application for MSc Biochemistry for the winter term 2023-24. And now it asks me to fill in my university entrance qualification. And it says any field mark with asterisks are compulsory, mandatory. So this is basically how you're going to be going through it. It's going to be peculiar to each one. Take your time, read through it, click on this arrow to get more information. And for any reason you need to contact them, come to your right hand side and you will see information on how to contact them regarding your application. You can also click on this overview to see what you've done so far. Now it shows me that I have application 1, Master of Science, and it says application status in preparation. And here I can click on this pencil to edit application and continue, and I can submit this application until the 31st of May. And when you click on this little button, it shows you more. So this is basically it. Once you're done, you hit on submit. You can also print a control sheet as a PDF after everything to see how your application looks like. At the beginning of this video, I made mention of scholarships that you can apply to in the University of Jena. So all you have to do is come to the page, and at your top right, you can see this magnifying glass. You click on it and you search for the word scholarship. And there are tons of scholarships here that you could apply to. There are scholarships for doctorate studies, from that, other scholarship schemes, a whole lot. So all you need to do is to go through it and see what's applicable to you. But importantly, I would like to show us this particular scholarship. Here on this page, financing your studies, I'm going to show us an important scholarship that you must apply to as an international student. It's called the Heide Domain Program from DAD. This particular scholarship is for prospective international students who are in a situation of personal vulnerability. So it depends on what they mean by vulnerability, but I will encourage you to apply. And how do you apply to this particular scholarship? Because you cannot apply directly for this particular scholarship from dad, all you need to do is to apply to the university and they would nominate you. So here it says the application for the program requires a nomination by the future university. So when you make application to this University Jena, you can then write them an email to this email address here, requesting them to assess you for academic suitability so that you can be able to qualify for this particular scholarship. And once you qualify, they would forward you and they would nominate you for this particular scholarship. It says nomination is not possible for the degrees in medicine, dentistry, and pharmacy, but for every other program, you can actually request for an assessment and they would nominate you. All you have to do is to simply send them the required documents here. So basically, take advantage of this opportunity. So you could also finance yourself through jobs. And when I click on jobs, here you can see that they have given you various links that you need to look into when you are searching for jobs at Siena. They have basically simplified your process. All you have to do is to take your time, read through this website thoroughly. I promise you, it has so much to offer. I can assure you that. When you look here, you can also see emergency assistance, and here you can read through to know what this is all about. And you could also see that scholarship for integration for international students. So you can also check their calendar to see when this is open. And you can also see that prize for special achievement by international students. So you could also click here to learn more. There are tons of information on this website. Another important thing to also note about this University Jena, when you go to the magnifying glass, all you have to do is to type webinars. And here you can see there are tons of webinars coming up. Importantly, let us look at this one, Welcome Days. I will click on this. Brings me to this page where I would basically filter for what I'm looking for, which I already put welcome days. And here you can see tons of events coming up. But now when you scroll down, you can see this particular one, workshop preparing for Jena in English. And when I click on this, it shows me the overview about this particular workshop, preparing for Jena, and this is going to be in English. So it's going to be talking about dormitory application, visa and finances, planning your arrival. So this is the overview. It's going to be on the 20th of July, and this is going to be in English, and you can basically write them an email if you want more information, but this is basically going to be online. All you have to do is to click on this link to direct you to the Zoom, and this is the code that you will use to enter this particular online webinar, and there you can listen to them and have opportunity to ask them questions that are bothering your mind, and you get a first-hand information. So these are all the important things that you need to know to set you up for coming to Germany. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I'll respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.